In this demonstration, we will connect a remote display to a Baykon BX2X indicator using an RS232 connection. Connect the TX or transmit terminal on the BX indicator to the R or receive terminal on the remote display. Then connect the ground or G&D terminal to ground labelled G. Once the wiring is complete, follow the on-screen settings to configure the indicator for continuous output. After the settings have been applied, the remote display will begin receiving live data from the indicator. To test the connection, place a weight onto the scale. For more information or to discuss more, contact us on sales@awmltd.com.